I am Mr. Finance. Your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe. Hey man, they didn't believe in me, but Rory did. They probably won't believe in you too, but Rory did. They didn't believe in me, but Rory did. They didn't believe in me, but Rory did. Click the link to see. You got this. Quick question you got to ask yourself. What is it that you're currently doing right now to prepare for your financial future? What are the things that you have in place? What are the things you don't have in place? Do you have proper protection? Do you know how to manage your debt? Do you know how to put together an emergency fund? Do you understand saving and investing your money? These are some of the things that you got to know. So what is it that you're doing right now to plan for your financial future? If you want to know how to do so, click the link and let's talk together. Hey guys, I want you to say this with me. Say, dear me, I'm going to make you proud in the next 3 to 6 months. Say, dear me, I'm going to make you proud within the next 3 to 6 months. And what I want you to do is to write out your plans. Write out your plans specifically of all the things that you're going to get done. And what I want you to do is read that every day, 3 times a day, in the morning, at lunch, and then before you go to bed. You got so many people going to be so intimidated by the new version of you, and they're going to be so stuck on trying to remind the world about the old version of you. But what you got to do is remind yourself of who you are, right? But focus on who you're trying to become. It's not who you are, it's who you're trying to become. Some people are just stuck on who you are and they miss the opportunity to see who you're becoming. Focus on where you're going, not where you're coming from. So many people are going to be so intimidated by the new version of you, and they're going to be so stuck on trying to remind the world about the old version of you. But what you got to do is remind yourself of who you are, right? But focus on who you're trying to become. It's not who you are, it's who you're trying to become. Some people are just stuck on who you are and they miss the opportunity to see who you're becoming. Focus on where you're going, not where you're coming from. If you don't know about this, you're too young. If you don't even understand what the words in the song is saying, you're too young. And if you don't know songs like this, you're too young for me. You came to visit me? You come and stop by and see what daddy's doing working? Huh? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, hi, hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Hey guys, let me give you guys a quick update. Did you know that a lot of things is very predictable when it comes down to the market and your money? Let's talk about the market correction. Did you know that the market corrects itself every 8 to 9 years? 2001, we had a crash. 2009, we had a crash. 2018, we had a crash. What do you think is coming up next? We're due for correction. Guys, you got to start putting your money from moving it from unsecure accounts and move them to secure accounts. If you need help to know how, comment how. All right, so day 1 is in the bag. It was an amazing day today, guys, and I just want to thank you guys for all the kind words and the encouragement and everything. You know, I'm really excited and I can't wait to share with you guys what's really going on here, but there's a lot of exciting things happening right now and a lot of movements happening in my life right now. A lot of people is being empowered. A lot of my friends are getting put on. And guys, let me tell you something. If you want to learn a little bit more, I can't speak on it publicly yet, but let me tell you, it's something big and it's something huge. And if you want to know, man, look broke, stay rich. I'm telling you guys, look broke, stay rich. One of the things I want you guys to know is this. Your consistency will build up your confidence so that way you can become courageous. All right? Your consistency will build up your confidence to make you courageous to go after your goals and your dreams. Look broke, stay rich. Keep them confused, keep them guessing. Never let them know what your next moves are. Keep winning. I just want to share this with you. I was just listening to something that Kevin Gates said. But we all know the saying that plan for the best but expect the worst, right? But Kevin Gates said something that was so profound to me. He said, plan for the best and expect the best. And it's so true. Why plan for the best, expect the worst, or anything in that matter. That's a negative approach, right? It's just better to plan for the best and expect the best. And if the negative thing come, that was a test.
I am Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe.